Guess who?
Come right ahead, folks. The entrance is to the tunnel straight ahead.
Hi everybody, this is Wynonna Woodpecker here. Here I am, Super Nintendo World for my second time. And before I can continue the games, I'm gonna meet Princess Peach. And speaking of her, look! It's Baby Peach plus doll. I bought this from Amazon. Oh, if you're asking me how many keys and coins I have, I'll show you. Here it is. I'm surprised I still have that key and the coins, which means I can come back here to continue where I left off from those games. For example, that game. So after I meet Peach, then I could go in there so I can get ready for the game. Games will be up in my games to get the key so I can get to the Mario's Bowser Jr.'s challenge. In 15 or 20 more minutes, Peach will be arrived. Let's go, everybody. I can't wait to meet Princess Peach before I can get ready for the games. Oh, and after my games, good thing I got the reservation at 12 o'clock lunch at Toadstool Cafe. All thanks to that cafe's manager. He was so kind, hospitable, and helpful. So I'm starting to love that manager. So I'm going to rate him 5 out of 5 stars. So he did a great job being so hospitable, and he's so kind and helpful. I'm going to love that guy. Okay, Princess Peach, here I come. Hello, Peach, Your Highness. Oh, that's you.
Wow, look at you.
She's you from the past, just like in a video game.
Spectacular.
Me or her? Both of us.
Oh, it's so nice to meet another princess.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you, Your Highness. Oh, the twirl. Shall we take a picture together?
Yay!
Yahoo! Okay. Everybody say, whoop-ho! Here we go.
Thank you for being my friend.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoop, whoop, whoa!
Sweet!
Thank you. And now the hug.
Farewell, dear friend. Come see me again soon.
I will. Have a good day, Your Highness. That's it. Farewell, my dear friend.
Lovely!
Woo! I feel so much better. I after my tough times trying to reserve my 12 o'clock for the Toadstool Cafe, good thing the manager helped me. And right now, before I can get there 10 minutes early or 20 minutes early to that cafe, I gotta finish one game over there. Because right now it's past 10:30, so I got one more hour. You know, since it's gonna be 1 hour, I hope I can still have time for this game. After this game and get the key, then I could get to 12 o'clock. You know, for my lunchtime. I can't wait to try these, and I can wait to show them and share my food with you so you can see them what I love to eat. Come on.
Tap right here to get it started, please.
Okay.
Tap right here to get it started, please.
Okay.
You have not tapped.
Ready or not? Here I come. Like this?
Please tap to get it started.
Okay.
Now you're good to start turning. Start turning.
Now do it faster. Faster.
Good job. Now you tap your band right here to get your key. Congratulations on your good deal.
Yes! Wow, now that is so... You know what I meant to say is, according to my recorded video, this is like less than 40 seconds than I thought, and it was fast. No wonder the line got a little faster. Because whenever and every time in that kind of game, you know, the lever and the Goomba, I just thought it'd always take a minute or less than 1 minute, and now I'm fast. No wonder I got the speed of a woodpecker. Oh, if you're asking how many keys, there it is. I got 2 keys, and I have the same coins, but don't worry, I could get the coins later, right after the games and my lunch. Then I could get to the Bowser's Mario Kart ride. Okay, here I come for the game.
Oh, that's one of the keys of this.
Let's go, everybody. I'm up for that game. It makes me feel like a tough fighter. If I see Bowser, I can wait to punch him in the mouth or snout like this. I'm a tough woodpecker like my Uncle Woody Woodpecker, who used to be a wrestler. So I'm going to be just like my Uncle Woody. Don't worry, Uncle Woody. I'll do anything for you to make you proud. As my best family member of all time who became a famous celebrity, even though I'm sad that you end up retired from Universal Studios. But as long as I'm here as your next generation Uncle Woody, anything for you. Let's go! was fun doing it. That, hit the power box in order to get that turtle shell to hit right into that key. Oh, and you have to forget me about that clip that seems to be mute somehow. I don't know what went wrong with my microphone, but I was able to fix it, and now you can hear me. Now, before I can find the line, I better hit that coin box. Now, let's go find the line for the fourth game. There it is. Let's get in. I hope it's going to be quicker.
Run.